Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Falconbridge, Ontario, a historic mining community located just east of Sudbury. This town is surrounded by rugged northern landscapes, with forests, rocky outcrops, and a proud industrial heritage. Falconbridge's history began in the early 1930s when rich nickel and copper deposits were discovered, leading to the creation of the Falconbridge Nickel Mines Company. The town takes its name from William Falconbridge, a 19th century judge and prominent figure in Ontario's legal history. For decades, Falconbridge was a thriving mining hub, attracting workers and their families from across Canada and around the world. The mining legacy is still visible today, with old structures and stories passed down through generations. In addition to its industrial roots, the community offers access to great fishing, hiking, and snowmobiling trails. Whether you're here to explore its history, enjoy the outdoors, or simply experience small-town northern charm, Falconbridge is a place worth discovering. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Falconbridge, Ontario. Thanks for watching!